Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor Power and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, here slide and mark select wallpaper. As you can see, you've got several options, so just pick the album from which you want to choose your wallpaper. By tapping on more, you can explore a bit more options. So let me pick, for example, tough choice, so let's pick the first one, whatever it is. Okay, so this one is not free. Okay, let's go back to default wallpapers. That's one more time, open home screen, lock screen, select wallpaper. So let's pick one from those, they are definitely free for us, no payment needed. Let me choose this one. And then just mark done at the top of the list. Now wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it is already changed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.